On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Happy Thursday. Are we thirsty Thursday for some more pumpage? Holy smokes, Batman. 119,416. My God. Up only, baby. Up only. Is this going to come down and crash on everyone's head, or are we going to continue to pump? I don't know. But I know that we're ready for whatever. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Let's jump into the charts. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin, VWAP slap, pumping. Let's go. Anybody take the long here? I considered it, but I'm starting the damn stream. It's typically how it goes. That's okay. You know, I wonder, like, how much the stream affects my actual trading sometimes. I'm like, do I stop doing it? You know, it's actually something that comes through my mind quite often. I'm like, maybe if I just stream, like, till 9 a.m. and just do an hour, come and hang out, and then I'll go trade. You know, I made $1,200 yesterday. It was a nice day. My spot bags are pretty happy. I've been buying, as you guys know, I think you guys know, I've been buying hype down at like $42, $43, adding to that bag, and it's at almost $50. So that's been nice to see a nice little gain on that. I've been averaging down into Aerodrome, which under $1. I said buy Aerodrome under $1. Not financial advice. I'm a hobbit in Canada, guys. Like you gonna listen to me. You guys can find some much smarter people on the interwebs. Okay. But Aero under $1, it's at $1.14, you know? Jeez, virtual. I'm a little bit underwater on virtual. I'm not going to lie. I think my average buy is about $1.20. I haven't added to it yet. I'm still waiting. But everything is green. And when everything is green, what do? You typically don't buy it. You don't buy it. What does that mean? You need to be patient. Everybody's like FOMO masters, right? When we're looking at price action, in my opinion, what you need to understand is now they have sold you guys a dream twice. We are very much in an area of the final boss, okay? If you got the final boss, okay, right? What would the final boss be, right? Right, you're here, you're trying to beat the final boss. He's sitting here. He's mean, man. He's sitting up here. He's the last little bit of resistance. Here he is. Right? He's sitting up here and he's like, guys, if you want that princess, okay? If you want that princess, I'm telling you guys, if you're my generation, you got to this guy. First of all, congratulations. You did well. Okay? If you know what I'm talking about, you did well. But damn, that one room, you just get locked in there and you're like, he's so quick when he runs across the screen. Like, what the heck is he doing, man? Like, who gave this guy? He's too big to move that fast. No. So we'll see if we get past him. What's going on there? I'm excited. Are you guys excited, man? This is some good times to be in trading, to be in crypto. Up only. I mean, you press buy with a big ass stop loss and you make money, right? Like, the simplest strategy right now is to don't trip by the dip, right? With a big ass stop loss. And then eventually you'll go up. Not the greatest strategy, but you know what? I mean, this is when someone comes into trading crypto and they start in an environment like this, it's the worst experience trying to coach them back into like range bound trading. Okay? It's the worst. It's the worst. But what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful, 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 wonderful day. Steve Hickey, Sharkfin. Good morning, guys. Albert Radjag Guk. Albert didn't win the giveaways the last 2 times. I'm surprised. He needs to work on his giveaway bots. Infinite Team TA, Billy Baines. Good morning, Shy Owl, Dragonfly, Crypto Dog. Shriyan, good morning. Umbro, Quick Smoker. What's going on, guys? Good to see you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, wonderful day/evening for all my Australian folks. Okay. Maba, good morning. Good to see you. Sharon, what's going on? Mab, good afternoon, gang. Good to see you. Thank you for being here, Joshua. Farhad, my man, what's going on, bro? Alexander G, good morning. Hopefully you had a nice drive into work. Chris Reitz, Diggers, what's going on? Offshore, Cajun, good morning. Thank you guys for being here. Christian, Spee, Duality C, Steve Hickey, Curtis Hill, Soy Quest, Dustin, the dustiest of all. Shumi, Mark Gustafson, Dragonflies, Async, congratulations. Async gave away 20 memberships and then 150 USDT yesterday in the Discord. See, look at that. You're right. That is some good karma, man. That is some good stuff, man. I love seeing that. Giver's gain, baby. Giver's gain. That's it. Damn, I wish I took that VWAP slap this morning. This is a bull flag. I really didn't like the price action yesterday. My God. I managed to long Solana a couple times, and then I chickened out, man. Like, I had this soul trade for the gang right here. I felt bad, man. I didn't give you guys the full setup here. So I had like a breakout continuation trade here. This was the setup. And it was only to here, really. Damn, you look back and you're like, damn, Daniel. This thing printed. Up only. Solana's got a nice clear pathway all the way up to 230. So Solana can still very much go up another 3% today if it does want to. Ethereum, yeah, another 2% for Ethereum coming up into some bigger resistance, and Bitcoin's in the bigger resistance, okay? So if this, then that. So really looking at this thing, and like I said, final boss stuff here. My object tree is not working again. Like, what is wrong with TradingView? Every morning I can't click shift on my object tree. It doesn't work. Is it because this is open here? Like, what is this? I don't know. So annoyed. How am I supposed to have flow if my object tree isn't working? Maybe I should get off of the browser and just use the not the browser, the app, and use the browser like everyone else does. But I like the app. The app's like it's all in one spot. VWAP slap continuation trade here. I don't know if anyone took it, but it was there. Up to standard deviation 1, easy long. We'll see. Consolidating across here. All right, we ready to rock? All right, we're ready to rock. Let's go. Okay, so looking at this thing. Oof. Is there cause for concern? Well, let's look. You got... It's so good, man. It's so good. I love this. So you have a structure break. Now, okay, you got bull divs in here. Hidden bullish divergence. You guys all know that, right? You guys all know the hidden bull divs here, right? Sneaky, sneaky. So you have hidden bull divs here. You've pushed up. You also have bearish divergence here, okay? Oh, man. So you're in a bull div war, okay? You got bull divs and bear divs. You have a market structure change. You have critical resistance, your final boss, okay? This is your final boss, okay? If there is one, this is it. Just this value area high, right? You don't have to be a rocket scientist to know that, but there it is in case you wanted me to be your rocket scientist. I can be your rocket scientist. And we're looking to hold here. Now, what typically happens with a push-up and what we should be prepared for is consolidation, okay? What happens after we have a big leg up? Consolidation, right? We get a hockey stick, an inverted hockey stick. Okay, so is this the inverted hockey stick, or are we going to go higher? Okay. It's only October 2nd, guys. This is awesome. I mean, I have never seen so many guys. Have you guys gone through YouTube and gone on the Bitcoin, October? I've never seen October spelt wrong so many times in my life. It doesn't get much more euphoric than this. Okay. It's like, boom, exit plan, like open mouth thumbnails, buying, historical pumps, alts. I mean, it's pretty bullish, man. Yeah, pretty bullish. Are we going to put on our diamond eyes on our... How do I even do a diamond eyes? Pretty bullish. Now, the thing is yes, it is bullish. And it's great. This is a great move. Break a structure on the daily. Amazing push last night. We're looking for pullbacks and continuations. We're not trying to long the top. Okay? If we're scalpers, we can long the top, but we should be very well aware that we're going to round trip at this area. We are looking for this. Boop. Or we are looking for this. Push up and boop, and then go. We're looking for some sort of pain to be caused, right? All these people who are long in here, how far down are they safe? That is the question, right? A lot of the time, too, they'll be safe, but what they'll do is they'll drag it out sideways to cause them to close their positions, okay? If this, then that. They'll bore them. They'll give them the boring sauce, and then they'll give them the move up. That's why you get flags in consolidation, because people close their longs because they're not patient to wait for the next pump. That's what happens, okay? For me, I really don't care. I buy spot in these areas, as you guys know, and I'm chilling. I don't need a position open. I'll scalp and buy spot. That's how I do it. Okay. We have beautiful swing traders in our Discord who know how to do it too. So consolidating sideways, flagging out, looking to continue. We'll see what we get today, but I feel like we're a little bit euphoric. And when I feel like we're a little bit euphoric, we're typically pretty euphoric. Jam, what's going on? Curtis Hill, good to see you. The market open has been quite trash. Can we all agree the market open's been trash the last 2 days? Can we all put a 1 in the chat if we agree on that? I think it's been like that 10 a.m. till about 2 p.m. window that's been a lot more juicier, right? We look at market open yesterday. I mean, come on, guys, look at this thing. This was yesterday, and yes, you did get the push up and continuation here. You got the orb breakout retest. That was the trade right here. Orb breakout retest continuation trade. You also had the retest of previous highs in here, which was quite nice, coming back into here for that continuation trade. You had the SFP of the pink box. That was in there too. We were doing a live stream teaching here, and like this is a very poor area for the SFP, right in the middle of our lesson. So it's been that's a bit challenging price action. I mean, I'm up, what is it, Thursday? So I don't know what I made. Monday, Tuesday, 1,200, 1,400, 1,200, 1,400, 3,400. I can't, that's too much math. 12 plus 18 plus 34 plus 12 yesterday. All right, so we're doing good this week. Keep stacking, right? But it's been like kind of weird and annoying at the same time, the price action. Good morning, Chantel, Diggity, what's going on? Magnum, Multisig, Rob S, Steve Hickey, Alex Motos, Spee, what's going on? Umbro, good to see you. Good morning, News Crew. Paul Hindenburg, Michael, Eternal, Gamer Pro, good morning, guys. Amos, K-Pack, Crypto Ralph, Christian, what's going on, man? Ryan Smith, what's going on, beautiful? Fabro, Christian, Crypto Chick, Rogarth, Karim, No Diggity. Don't stop the stream, you're helping little guys. I do enjoy trying to give it back as best as I can. As best as I can. Yeah, the market open's been trash lately. Thank you, guys. So we have some agreements in here, which is good. Jazz Tech, good morning. Jam, Curtis Hill, Multisig, Rob S, Steve Hickey, Paul Hindenburg, what's going on? Good to see you guys. Joshua, Rogo. How you guys doing? Crypto Ralph. AlexOCrypto never knows what's about to happen. No, I do not. My job here is to analyze what's going on here. I can plan and plan and plan and plan and plan, which I think I set up a pretty good plan, but you never know what's going to happen, man. And that's okay, man. It's a good place to be indifferent with low expectations. I'm telling you, that's the safest place to be as a trader. Lower your expectations. Be objective. Reactive. If this, then that. If this happens, then this happens. If this happens, then that happens. If this happens, then I take this trade. If this happens, I do this, right? It's very simple. The hardest thing for most people is sitting in between trades, right? Is you think you should always be in a trade. Oh my God, it's going up. Oh my God, it's going down. Oh, it's a very dangerous place to be. Remember, you're not losing money when you're not trading. You're not losing money when you're not trading. DDT, the final countdown. Yeah, bro. Dylan, what's going on? Mike Hunt. Love your name, bro. We saved the princess. Muckin, good morning. Good to see you. Great long on that Ethereum. Did you hold it? Did you hold that Ethereum long? Great job. What's going on right now? Good morning, Madara. Alar. Oliviera. Beautiful name. I can't say it properly, but beautiful. So you have to give one up. You guys are giving up tacos, guys. Really? Tacos? You guys are giving up. I mean, chicken and pasta and burgers. I would never ever would. Burgers is definitely eliminated. Pasta's eliminated. Chicken or tacos? Can I have taco flavored chicken and get rid of tacos? I don't know, guys. What's going on, Dinelli Dean? Good to see you. How you been? Orhan, Patrice. What's going on, Patrice? Bad Baptist. What's going on, Bad Baptist? How you been? Alar, Leo. Good morning, Orhan. Thank you for being here as well. Army Pipers in the chat. What's going on, brother? E-Whistle. Some people's names are too much. Like Dusty. What's going on, Stacker? No diggity. Look at this VWAP slap and go, guys. Beautiful. Anybody get long on that VWAP? Take profits on virtual. I've been in at $1.08. Good job, bro. Virtual is more of a long-term altcoin hold, right? If you look at virtual, it's in this big ass triangle, man. It's waiting for virtual. Look at this, guys. Okay, we said virtual is at the bottom of the range. Buy levels. Okay. Look at this thing. I ain't got to tell you this looks bullish, do I? Look at it. I've been drawing the triangle forever, guys. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. Right? You don't have to be. It's pretty straightforward. Just saying. Good morning, JR. Dano Crypto. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. Ganesh, good morning. You guys all long off that VWAP slap, eh? Damn, you guys always making me jealous. Always making me jealous. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. How you doing? Victor Wayne C. Hopefully you got a wonderful sandwich. Randy Hipper in the chat. See some Randy Hipper emojis in the chat. All you beautiful members. It was a great stream yesterday for the mods. Thank you, mods, for all you do. Hey, buddy, do you think we get a pullback to close the CME gap? No. Not right now. Not at all. Not the way the price is moving. Okay, so I've explained this before, but think about the CME gap, okay? This is your bull run, okay? I guess this is a bad example. This is 3 years of a bull run, okay? And you get CME gaps throughout here, right? Is the CME gap that important up at the top of a bull run as it is at the bottom of the bull run to get filled? Because it is 97%, I think, hit rate. 97% hit rate. Okay? But for me, when I know we're at the top of the market and we're starting to push, A CME gap has a lot less weight on it because I know that we'll fill it on the way down. Okay? If the CME gap's in bear market territory or, whatever in here, I put more weight on that CME gap because it's in an area where it would likely look to get recovered quite quickly. But when we put in CME gaps at the top of a market, I expect it to be filled on the way down. Okay? So I put a lot less weight on CME gaps. In this environment where we are, right? We're in our bull run, we're at, top of the bull run. You go back in history, there was a CME gap in here, right here, that got filled on the drop down, right? There was a CME gap, I believe, here that got filled on the drop down, okay? So I put less weight on them here. Beautiful push for Bitcoin, guys. See if it wants to. I think I'm just like, I got too much lean on my chair, and I think I just like keep sliding out. Because I end up basically on the floor by the end of the stream, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 400 people in here already, man. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out and subscribing and all that goody two-shoes stuff, man. You guys are awesome. Good night in Brisbane. How big is the correction going to be? Well, right now, not big. Right now, it doesn't err on the side of like a big correction. I think it will be a good slice of humble pie, but I don't think it'll be that big due to seasonality and where we are. Solana looks so good, man. Crazy. Ethereum looks good too. ETH's got to go, man. ETH now, guys, now that ETH has crossed this threshold line. Okay, so look, ETH had one area to get above. Hopefully Kathy's still in her beautiful long. ETH had this big-ass volume node to get above. Look at this. Boop. Okay. ETH has a clear shot all the way up to 4,700 now. Easy. If it wants to go. Vitalik's going to pump that price, man. Nice up only here, getting everybody bullish in the morning. You guys all feeling the FOMO already? Are they getting you? The FOMO is real, everybody. Bitcoin ripping. NASDAQ. Look at the all-time highs for NASDAQ, guys. This is crazy, guys. Look at the NASDAQ. This is so good. Look at this thing. It is like big green. Jeez. Ain't no stopping. SPY, all-time highs. Retest all-time highs? Possibly. Bitcoin, flying. All-time highs. Coming soon. Awesome, man. Everybody excited? Good morning, friends. Hello, what's going on, Nicholas? Good to see you. Randy Hipper. No government open today. They're on holiday, no joke. No jobs data tomorrow. That's what? They can't just not give us data. Oh my God, that's disgusting. Tuna, sweet corn, and cucumber. Ugh. My wife would love that. That is, guys, tuna. Hear me out, okay? I was on like a big gym trip, right? And I would eat tuna for protein. And I ate so much tuna that it's now like I cannot even think about the smell. My wife loves tuna pasta salad too. Like she's British AF, right? So, but tuna it's disgusting, man. It is. I loved it before. I loved it, and I ate so much of it, and I killed it. Like I used to just buy those cheap tins of tuna because I was pretty broke, and I used to just go to the gym and just crush tuna and weight gainer and creatine. That was like my diet, and eggs when they weren't expensive. But oh my God, tuna's gross. I need a booster seat. Yo, give me the yellow pages, man. Oh, they don't know. The yellow pages is a phone book, but it was like a big fat phone book back in the day in Canada. I remember trying to look up like Blockbuster's phone number in my area as a kid. Man, this is memory lane, man. This is memory lane, guys. Back in my day, I had to look up Blockbuster's phone number in the yellow pages. You guys remember put a 1 in the chat. You remember the yellow pages? This was the best booster seat for your child in the world, man. I used to sit on this in my mom's car. So good, man. Did you guys have something similar to that? It was delicious, tasty as well. Yeah, of course it was. Man, the yellow pages, man. 411. Yeah. We used to have like little tabs on like the pizza guy who was close to us. So good, man. Nice push here, sweeping the high. Sweeping the high, coming back in. Looking for a continuation trade here. See if we get a wick test in here. Coming back down after sweeping the high. Interesting. There's definitely some buyers stepping up aggressively here. Everybody else is long, right? Solana gonna break out. ETH trying to go as well. Bitcoin ripping. No trade right now, just waiting. See we get follow through here. 119 being the major resistance. Didn't come low enough for a wick test here. Up only, guys. Up only. Crazy. Good old yellow pages, man. Are we shorting or longing? Those brick Nokias were goated. Yeah, absolutely, man. We have a good meme in our meme section in our Discord on the Nokia phone. Where is it? Did you guys ever see my 22-year-old self picture? Did you guys remember I told you how I did construction on a cathedral, the biggest cathedral in all of... If you ever feel useless, remember someone made a protective cover for the Nokia 3310. It was to protect the floor. Remember I told you I was 21 working on... It's called St. Michael's Cathedral in Toronto. It's where the Pope stays when he comes to Toronto in Canada. Okay, it is the church of all of, and I'm working on it. I worked on it for 2.5 years as a carpenter, junior apprentice. Good times, man. Good times. Oh man, some really good times. And I I was a little bit of a misfit. So here's the church, right? And it jogs out like this. This is, let me see if I can get 3D rendering on you guys here, okay? So here's the church, here's the steeple. Open the doors, see all the people, okay? Here's your church, right? And there was this jog out here. Okay, here's your church. Okay. And we had a scaffold up here, right? Scaffold up in here. So I'm literally right in this corner here. And I'm on the I climbed up the scaffold into the corner. Okay, so that's where I'm located. On this church. Okay. And they have these, and here's the roof, right? The roof goes up to this guy. The roof goes up to this guy, right? And I climb up the scaffold to the downspout, okay? So here's the scaffold all through here, right? All through here. So I go up the scaffold, and I climb up to this downspout here. What a good drawing, right? So that now you guys know where I am. I'm like, guys, I'm like 21, guys. I do not care. So the downspout is a big black pipe, right? And it has a carved out face. Here's the roof, right? Here's the eaves trough. There's the roof coming down. Now tell me you're not going to hit the like button for sharing this video or this picture with you. Old school. I can't even grow a beard. I got a weak chin. I look so young, man. I got no stickers on my hat. I am apprentice AF. Look at that. What a shot, guys. Tell me that is great. Tell me that is not great. That has got to be the best picture ever. I given the people's out the rocks, the rock, the people's eyebrow. That poor downspout, man. That poor downspout. Let me just leave that image up there. You smell what the rock's cooking? Oh, man. Gotta have fun, man. Beautiful picture. Let's go, baby. It's on a beautiful church. Looks like I'm on a wanking chariot. Yeah, absolutely. Babyface AlexOCrypto. Up only, guys. Going to Valhalla today. You guys giving up tacos? You guys still giving up tacos? What do you give? Wave Cypher, what are you giving up then, man? Curtis Hill, good morning. It's a beautiful cathedral, guys. I did a lot of work on that thing for years. It was a big renovation. Big renovation. I mean, I'm not going to... Beautiful. Did lots of work on this thing. I did the whole renovation in here. Oh, so that picture. Where's the side of the building? I am right here. Yeah, I am right in this corner right here. Oh, man. Beautiful church, though. This price action, it's just running away from me, guys. There's no trade for me. I wish I caught that VWAP slap. 413 people in here and only 122 likes, and I'm sharing my personal pictures with you guys. Brewberry gave some great longs yesterday. Yes, he did, man. Absolute. Wave Cypher, I don't know if we can be friends, bro. I'm Italian, man. I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's like poor man's feast. What's going on, everybody? Do not short, says Shumi. Up only. Okay. Aye, aye, Captain. Chicken is so versatile. Yeah. I eat chicken probably 3 times minimum a week. Minimum. Minimum. The likes are lagging. I agree with that. Likes are lagging. People are just coming in here and talking smack and not hanging out, not saying good morning. Retro Mike text, when everyone says up only, I short. I don't blame you, man. I was saying that this morning. The sentiment is getting a little bit too bullish. A little bit. Good to see you, RMT. Much love, bro. I hope the Pope doesn't see that picture. Me neither, man. I'll ask for forgiveness. Good morning, Guile. Good morning, Merc. Good to see you, bro. Good morning, Kevin from Norwich. I hope the Pope doesn't see it either, Paul. Looks like Bitcoin's coming back down here. Paul, are you on repeat here? You're doing like the parrot, man. The Pope probably framed that picture of me. I'm cute back then. I'm going to get in trouble now. I'm like 21 years old there. I'm fresh. I'm just a spring chicken. We're not going down that rabbit hole, everybody. We're not going down that rabbit hole, okay? Damn. Oh, yeah. Look at that face, man. Who couldn't love that face? Do you smell what AlexOCrypto is cooking? I mean, I look like a dinosaur now. I can't even look. I don't even get this part of my beard yet. I don't even connect down here. I'm so fresh, man. Spring chicken. I've seen more hair on a piece of bacon, guys. Good morning, LBC. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you, Jay Violet. Crypto aged me even more. That's the one, man. That's the one. Good morning, Emma. Good to see you, F-bomb. Sounds like British bacon. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, Huff. Good to see you. Let's turn the chat orange. Why doesn't it copy? I like turning the chat orange. Bitcoin to the moon, baby. Maple syrup and vanilla Greek yogurt, bro. Almost every other day I have that. Got the real maple syrup though. My wife makes me eat it. She has her like homemade granola. Homemade granola with some raspberries. Some chia seeds. Oh, Junior, it is good, bro. That maple syrup is so good. What is the best brand of maple syrup? You got to go to where they make it, bro. So they have, a lot of the time, they have like these conservation areas where they just make it straight up in like a cauldron. It looks like witchcraft, Lunar Beaches. If you're in Toronto, it's called the Courtright Center, okay? I have yet to find my place here. So in the Courtright Center, this is where I got married. They have a maple syrup festival, guys. It's going on right now. All right? No, that goes on in the spring. All right? You go to the Courtright Center in Toronto. Okay, it's just a little bit north. Guys, you got the cauldrons, the witchcraft goes on in here. Okay, this is where it's at, man. You got like, this is where I got married. Look at this, old school, man. Guys, it doesn't get much. Oh my God! And they got like the new, because there's two different types of maple syrup. There's like the aged one, and then there's the fresh one. The fresh one's a little bit different. The aged one I think is better. Tapping all the trees, guys. Go with your kids. Tap the trees. Oh, man. It's like heaven. It's like Canadian heaven, man. It's a good time. Guys, this is such a good pump. I'm still hand man. I'm the handyman right now. No touchy. This is trapping longs, in my opinion. Like, obviously, there's the bull run, and we're doing the bull run thing right now. So, like, is it trapping longs or is it just going up, right? You can't really. you can't really just justify buying the top, can you? I mean, I'm sure you guys can justify buying the top. I can't. VWAP slap is where it was at, guys. Missed it. I missed it this morning because I was literally starting my stream right at the VWAP slap. Aunt Jemima? Nah, man. Aunt Jemima, she's a sweetheart, but she ain't some maple syrup, man. Yeah, everybody giving up tacos, eh? I would honestly, I'd give up tacos too. Sorry, guys, you can unsubscribe. Just like JR is gonna unsubscribe when McDavid joins the Maple Leafs, but it's inevitable, bro. It's inevitable. We got our first good luck today. Thank you. We got game 1 today. JR, you know how good I am with predictive analysis, okay? So I've been saying this for months now. Go Preds. Nashville, man. Steve Stamkos from the Lightning. I don't know, man. You guys made some weird choices lately. You guys used to be good. Bro, my fantasy football, I have no education in my fantasy football. I'm so bad at fantasy football. It's not even funny. Tacos are more diverse. No tacos. Trying to jack McDavid. I'm going to work. I love you, bro. Come by. You know where I'm at. I'll buy you a taco, bro. I was waiting for the pink taco comment, Greek. I was waiting for the pink taco. Good morning, Apulia. This is not a family channel, John. The theme of this channel, it is always helping people. Helping people. Helping people find peace and purpose through trading crypto. Through crypto and trading, right? That's the theme. At the end of the day, we talk shit and we press buy and sell successfully. That's as good. Look. AlexOCrypto, helping people find peace and purpose through crypto and trading. Okay? Very simple. We click buy and sell successfully. Okay? We don't make open mouse thumbnails anymore. We click buttons. That's how we roll, man. Givers gain. Let's see it. Make crypto honest again. Let's go, baby. At least we show everything here. Even our pictures of when we were 20 years old. MCHA. MCHA. Hey. Do 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 do. I can't do it. I tried. Make money, eat tacos. I like that one too. That's a good theme. We used to do the YMCA streams on Fridays. Remember that? The good old days, guys. I'm not shorting the sweep of this high on BTC, no. So much liquidity, guys. My God. At least here for Solana. I'll bring that up later. All-time highs for NASDAQ. Slowly climbing. On Bitcoin, slowly climbing. On a lot of things. So where are we at? Really, like, okay, all fine and dandy, talk smack and press buttons. So really, looking at this, we're in that final boss stage like we were talking about at the beginning here. So we're looking for Bitcoin to push through here and get into price discovery. If we're looking for where we can possibly go to, obviously we can pull in a fib extension because price discovery, we got no clue, right? So we're looking to get up to 130,000. 142, 152, okay? 130 would be the first kind of easy target, the 1618, 135. So we're looking to extend up into this area. We could also look at this in a different way. We could look at this on, a trend-based analysis here. So we could go fib trend. So we could go from the low of the weekly low, and then we could go to this high in here, and we could come down into here. Okay, we could also do that. And then we're getting, that 138 area, 132, and the 126. If we're going from this low here, which would be continuation, 133. So we're looking 130 to 133 for our first kind of stop off if we're going to expand here, get out and get going, right? If we look at previous expansion pushes, right, you get a push. You get a consolidation, you get a push, you get a consolidation, you get a push, right? Something like this. Now, we have yet to see a consolidation. So for me, it's a little bit of patience right now. Just a little bit, okay? But we're looking to expand up into 130,000. That's kind of the deal right now. We'll see if we get there, right? A lot of the people were looking at this range to give us a forecast for that first initial pump. So if we go swing low to swing high, we only hit our 272 here. Okay, so we would look at that 132. Remember, 130 to 138 is kind of that level. So 132 is going to be that extension level that we are interested in. I think we have some levels up here already for you guys. Yes, we do. Yeah. 131, okay, which is front running the 132 level. Okay, 145 as a big target. Okay, I'm not trying to give you guys FOMO. I'm just trying to show you guys targets for the move. Okay, Bitcoin's been up only, even on the 3-minute. Okay, up only right now, coming into some key resistance. The daily is the key yesterday. So daily closed to break a structure above this high, switching market structure to the upside, which is important. Okay, this is very important. This suggests, any low, any dip is for buying. Any dip is for buying. That's what it suggests, right? It has changed market structure on a daily. Our structure was down. Okay, now it is up. Okay, so dips are for buying. That's what that tells you. Are we overextended? Hell yeah, right? Hell yeah. So be aware. There's lots of room to grow here on the daily. The 12-hour, still lots of room. 8-hour starts to get overextended. 4-hour overextended. 3, 2, 1, all overextended, okay? To the upside. You're getting bearish divergence throughout the price action in here, okay? Is it done yet? Don't fade it. Don't fade it until you have clear structure change. You can get some SFPs every now and then, but remember, shorts are for retracement trades. Whenever you're in a trend that's absolutely parabolic, okay? Your shorts are very short-lived. Your longs are elongated. So you're always favoring longs in an environment such as this. You will get brief pullbacks to grab liquidity, retest your previous highs. We have yet to see a constructive pullback in a while, okay? Got bullish momentum all the way through here. Ripping, absolutely ripping, okay? Has not stopped. You could look for this to break and then short, but nothing yet, okay? Looking for consolidation, double top up here. This is our final resistance, right? Like, we don't have a heck of a lot above us. Got a couple of stops along the way, very minuscule volume levels, but this is our major volume level right now, okay? So can we get through here? We'll see. Either way, we'll scalp the crap out of it. We're happy for the volatility. I'm happy that you guys are here hanging out with me. Hopefully we can find some key levels and some good trades today. Open's been a bit challenging lately. It's been a lot easier. I mean, that VWAP slap would have been nice this morning, but it's been a bit challenging. We'll see if we can find anything today. I thank you guys for being here and hanging out. I mean, 470 people here. We're live trading, showing you guys the trades, taking the trades, helping you guys navigate the charts. And hopefully you guys are helping me have a good laugh, because trading can be boring and lonely. And that's why I come here and hang out with you guys, so that we can trade together and make lots of money together. Never financial advice, just a hobbit in Canada trying to make some pesos for his family. That's it. I'm going to go get some coffee, okay? I'm not going into market open without coffee today. I'm ready to kick ass, take some names. Let's go, baby. We're putting it on repeat. Coffee.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRP. Have you heard of TRP? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
Music is trash. I'm out. Perfect, bro. That's exactly what we want, man. It's to filter out the people who are in a bad mood in the morning, man. I bet you he's still... Put a 1 in the chat if this guy says that, and he's still looking for free trade setups. Put a 1 in the chat. He's still lurking, man. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Go ahead, man. Go ahead, bro. On your bike, as my wife would say. Oh, man. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, J-Man. Good morning, Spee. I make my second coffee when Alex does, so it's like we're chilling. We chilling, bro. We always chilling, JR. Hopefully you're doing one. Doing well, bro. All love here, man. So a little bit of pullback since did we kiss the high or what? No, we didn't. Okay, good. That's good. That's a good sign. I mean, so we can still push here. We haven't grabbed the liquidity yet out of the highs. So possible continuation, order block retest. Guys, look at the NASDAQ. Guys, this thing doesn't give two I swore so much yesterday. Algorand coming to breakout level, everybody. Discord. Algorand coming into a big macro breakout level, just so you guys know. Trying to get going here. Algorand. 50% gains. Not financial advice. There's your trade setup. Reclaiming this support level. Trying to get going. I wouldn't take it. I would wait. I would wait to see what Bitcoin does. I got a whole altcoin list from the gang today to go through, and it's like, I don't know. The problem with doing TA on altcoins right now, and it's, what is Bitcoin going to do? Are we going to consolidate and pull back, and alts? Or are we going to consolidate? So Bitcoin, obviously, we always have three options, right? We have trending up, trending down, and consolidation, and we're mostly consolidating, right? So we're trending right now, up, but eventually it'll hit sideways and possibly down. And do altcoins run, or do altcoins stay flat and go down as well? That's always the hard thing to decide, right? It's always, to me, this is trapping traders up here. Last little bit, the bears are going to try their best to defend this, I think. That's just where I'm at. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. Heck, I'm wrong on my trades on the live stream. I show you guys, but at the end of the day, we profitable, and hopefully we can help you guys be profitable as well. We right now pretty overextended. Okay. Pretty overextended. Sweep on ETH. I'd like to see ETH come back into this order block here. Solana. Liquidity in the lows. Yeah. I mean, you don't always get what you want, but where we are with Bitcoin, because we have broken structure on this time frame, right? Because we have, what is going on with this thing? Because we have broken structure here, we are now in a very bullish situation, right? We've broken this structure. So now any of this is good, right? So this would be the area for us to consolidate, right? And when you get consolidation, you always get like a hopium and a dumpium. You always get some push up and then a push down, and then you go. Or you get an SFP, consolidation, and then you go. So, and just go back and look at previous pumps, right? You get your push up. So here's your push up, your consolidation, your hopium. Everybody gets long here. You wreck them, then you send it up. Okay? Let's go to another example. Okay? You push up, you consolidate them, you give them hopium. Push up, you consolidate, you give them hopium, you wreck them, then you send it up. Okay? The problem is are we doing one of these right here? Are we doing this here? So that's a different story. That's a up only tail, guys. And that could lead to Valhalla, right? That would be perfect. In my opinion, perfect. But we don't buy the tops because of this, right? We don't buy the tops because of this. Front running, the sweep of the high here, coming back, retesting mini order block here. A 5-minute order block. Yeah, okay. NASDAQ continues to climb. SPY, all-time highs. Look at that. Look at that yesterday. Boom. All the way up. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 480 people here, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you for subscribing to the channel and hanging out here. We're live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Trading crypto, Bitcoin. Showing you the trades, taking the trades, announcing the trades, not giving financial advice. We're just here hanging out. Been trading for over 3 years now. Pretty wild, profitable in like a year and a half. Compounding account. Trading $100,000 account now. Good times, man. Wild. I didn't think I'd be here. Not here. Not with this kind of amazing community, guys. You guys, thank you for blessing me with your presence and hanging out here. I know I talk a lot of shit, but I am very grateful. Anybody who knows me knows how grateful I am with you guys, and it means a lot. It means a lot to hang out here. It beats swinging a hammer, I tell you that much. And the Discord's been incredible lately. You guys are you guys have been top notch. Brewberry with some amazing calls yesterday. I mean, on fire, man. Like, that's the thing. We got 5 traders in here giving you guys calls. Look at Brew. Brew's been absolutely crushing it again with the longs yesterday. So many good longs. He does the stream after me every morning. CVO gave you guys all these big, huge, long-term T8s. Oh, my God. HRJ, we caught the short with HRJ from Bitcoin's top. Oh, man, that was good, too. Kyle, great trade setups, live streams. I've given you guys 3 trades this week, too. So, I mean, it's just, it's nice to be with like-minded people kicking ass, taking names, man. That's all I got to say. Pretty cool. We're sitting here on our wanking chariots, clicking buttons, making money. Pretty cool. No? Some of us swing hammers from birth. Congratulations. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. What's going on, Dorton? Good to see you, bro. How you been? Licking ass and taking shames. That's it, Jimbo. Whatever you're into, man. How you doing, Jimbo? How's life, man? Hopefully you're having a good week. What do I think about APT? Aptos? Aptos is has got good TVL. Like it's an earner. It's definitely an earner. So I think it's undervalued. Not for me to decide. It's never financial advice, but if you look at the money makers, okay? You look at the money makers. If you want things to make you money, they better be making money, right? So you look here. Okay, here's the money makers. See how fast I am, guys? So, 24-hour app revenue. Solana, winning. Hyperliquid, winning. Ethereum, winning. Edge. I don't even know what Edge X is. Edging. If you're into edging. Base. Binance. Aptos, guys. Arbitrum, ETH, layer 2, right? Aptos, guys. Look at this big dump. Look at this dump. Humble pie in the morning, guys. Whew. Humble pie in the morning. Welcome to bull runs. Retest to previous highs. Possible long opportunity here. No trade for me yet. Still waiting. But you want to see things. You want to buy things that are making money, right? Big sweep. Big sweep. Pushing down here. No trade for me. Edging. Edging is the new rival of Hyperliquid. Man, these guys have some weird names. You got Hyperliquid. And you got Edging. Interesting. Welcome to cryptocurrency, guys. Guys, where did we say we needed to go? This is a little bit late, but where did we say we needed to go, guys, for Solana? Pretty good squiggle, eh? No trade here, guys. Don't get trapped longing this. Please. Can you play the music while I go make a dookie? Yeah, bro. Really? Bitcoin, you nasty, man. Bitcoin's nasty. Chopping longs and liquidating them. That's nasty, man. How can you do that to people? See what I mean about this price action, guys? Fuck. That's gross. Wrecked. Wrecked. Should have long Solana. Retest of resistance. Breakdown retest. Ethereum. Yeah, nasty, 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 man. So wild. Welcome to crypto, baby. Where up only turns into rug only. Rug only, guys. Rug only. Trap traders up at the top. People buying this thing on the way up. Getting absolutely spanked. Very quick little liquidity grab. Continuation upwards here. Still no trade. Could have longed this. Didn't come down low enough for me. That's it. It just didn't come down. She didn't get low enough for me, man. Nasty Pambi. Yes, Magma. I'm a power duker. you guys are Duke Nukems. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Good morning, Ancient Swine. Good morning. Good to see you. Taz, LJ, what's going on? $7 minutes till market open, everybody. No trades. Good morning. Somehow I just turned 100 in Aster. Good job, bro. Nothing better than a good ass tear in the morning. Hello. Good morning, Joan. Good to see you. How you been? What happened on AVAX? I don't know, man. Do you want me to look? AVAX. AVAX said, you shouldn't be long up here. That's what AVAX just did. Pengu, same deal. Link, same deal. Sui, same deal. Yeah, man. Humble pies. Humble pies for everyone. That's what they just did. They just handed out a whole bunch of pies. That's all. Guys, they gotta take any opportunity to slap the leverage out of you. It's any opportunity, they'll take it. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come sweep this high and then dump it on everyone. Market open. That's the idea. Am I streaming this afternoon? No. Not typically. I have been doing some update videos, but I haven't got enough comments on those videos to justify doing them. I just do them for the Discord now. I'll update the Discord, but I don't know. It's like a very tight time zone where I can make an update video in the afternoon for you guys, and it's like literally just before dinner when I'm like playing with my son. My Thursdays are dedicated to my boy. So obviously the weekend is too, but it's like son and dad time on Thursdays. Mom goes and does her thing. She gets a little break, and I get to spend the day with my boy. That's the best time ever, man. Don't forget why you guys got into trading, right? You guys got in here, purpose and freedom through crypto and trading, right? What does purpose and freedom look like to you guys? I think it's time freedom. Time freedom is everything, right? Time freedom is everything. Having the, when I work construction, 12-hour days, come home, you're exhausted. You just want to eat and sleep and do it again. I got into this so I could trade, spend time with my boy and my wife. Try to eat better, try to sleep better. Mental, physical, spiritual, all that stuff, man. It's so important. Trading is stressful, man. You don't have to be staring at this thing all day long to make a living. Right. Yesterday I got my boy remember I showed you guys a couple weeks ago I got him a golf set? Well, I gave it to him yesterday. He's just walking and standing. He's hitting them straighter than Dad already. Bro, we'd be golfing in the living room. He'd be smacking the balls at Mom. He's already dunking on me, guys. Like, he's got a little basketball net, too. Titleist, Jimbo. It's the Titleist wedge, bro. He's got fresh wedges. You guys see Ass Tear hitting $2? Maybe. Solana, man. Here we go. Humble pie for some people. Little retracement. A rejection. Okay. Yeah. Hopium dumpium. Hopium dumpium. Yeah. Looking overextended. Very overextended. Bearish divergence, okay? Longing the top. You're literally at the top, guys. Into the last level of resistance. Hey, Jimbo, did you see my picture I shared today? Is Jimbo still in the chat? Did you see my 21-year-old degenerate scaffolding picture where I'm up on the eaves trough? Did you see the picture I shared today? I think I have it here. No, I have it handy, bro. Let me show you. I'm up on the eaves trough, and they have the downspout of the eaves trough in the corner. And it comes out of a guy's mouth. It's like a sculpture. And here, let me find it. I got it available for you, bro. All right. This is on the biggest cathedral in Toronto. It's me at 21, bro. Look at this. You see that? That's the corner of the building. That's AlexOCrypto, 21 years old, man. Billy would be so proud of me, wouldn't he? Oh, baby. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go, baby. Woo. All right. Sol down, ETH down, SPY gapping up and dumping down. All-time highs for SPY, opening up very bullishly, coming back down for some humble pie. NASDAQ coming back, grabbing the liquidity. All this liquidity. Bitcoin rolling over. Okay? Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. God bless you guys, and hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Bitcoin consolidating at the top, looking to continue to push. Major resistance in front of us, support below us, up only trading. Pullbacks are for buying. We'll see what we get today. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out with me and sharing your time with me. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you for smacking up that like button and subscribing if you're new. We're here live every morning, trading this crazy ass token. And hopefully you're Did you ever think you would share that picture with over 500 people? No, man. That was between me and the boys at work. Right? Me and the boys at work. And now it's viral. We should make a meme token called Downpipe. All right. Good chopping here. Dude, that's not a lion, Jimbo. That's like a saint, bro. That is a saint. Look at this guy is not. That is not a lion. That is a guy with a crown and a nice nose and a big old mouth, man. Ethereum SFP continuation. Reclaim of the range, continuation on Sol. Sol looks good as well. Bitcoin trying to push here. Doji engulfing candle. Into market open, something I don't touch. First 15 minutes, I don't touch those patterns, guys. Just unless it's at a key area. But see if we get some follow through here. Looking to sweep this high here. Bearish divergence. Slow and quick, right? Slow and quick. Slow, quick. Bear div, right? Patience, patience, patience. NASDAQ continues to roll over. SPY bouncing. Sol trying to go. ETH trying to go. So far, so good. Altcoins looking strong. The weekly naked point of control. There is no weekly naked point of control. It's not naked. It's exposed. Hands off, guys. Yeah, exactly. Hands off my key area. What's going on, RS Miller? Good to see you, bro. Put some dogs in the chat for RS Miller. What's going on, brother? How you been? I can't believe you guys are all fading. 481 votes, man. Close between pasta and tacos, guys. That's a good battle here. All right. We're going to have to go again. One has to go. I'm voting tacos still. I'm still voting tacos. But now the burger people, the burgers survived, chicken survived. Okay. One has to go. No bounce on NASDAQ yet. Coming back, retesting highs here. I do like this area. Looking for follow through on Bitcoin here. Doji engulfing. Are we going to get back to backs here? Solana still struggling. Solana with the break of structure here, so could be a tell. Could be a tell with the break of structure here. Bitcoin ramping up again. Ramping up again. Can it go? Push Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're thinking about shorting. I want to know the sentiment of the chat. And 3 if you're sitting on your hands. I'm going to put 3. I'm a 3. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Shorting. 1s, 2s. Okay, not many longs in here. I'm proud of you guys. That's good, man. That's good. I like your discipline. Because this has been enticing to buy, hasn't it? Right? It's been enticing to buy this thing. You guys are very disciplined. Good job. Good job. I like how our community's kicking ass. Not buying the highs of the highs of the highs, but doesn't mean we can't continue. This pullback was kind of meek. Exhaustion at the top here for Solana, trying to push through. Ethereum looks strong right now. Bitcoin pushing, coming up for the high right now. Bearish divergence, short-term time frame, 12 minutes. Overextended. Green dot printing, though. VWAP crossover to the upside, trying to push. NASDAQ. Wow. Okay. NASDAQ coming back to these highs now. Another level we're interested in. Big liquidity grab for the NASDAQ. SPY flat. NASDAQ could be the tell for a dump here. Cautious here. NASDAQ big dump. Big poo-poo. Did a Jimbo. NASDAQ did a Jimbo. SPY still flat. Bitcoin trying to go. Bitcoin coming up to try and take some liquidity. We'll see if it does. Ethereum looks strong. Oh, big rejection on Ethereum. Big rejection on Ethereum. Soy Boy Lana too. Guys, it's such a choppy market. Holy smokes. Patience will prevail. Don't be buying no tops, guys. 575 people in here. 233 likes. Lots of subscribers. You guys are cool, man. I do appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Using all the links in the description and all that stuff. Signing up with the exchanges. I can't do it, guys. When's the last time I said use my exchange on a live stream? No. Not once, I don't think. Maybe once a month. Get my MexC affiliate link and you can get liquidated too. I need your trading fees to support my life. It's a lie. It's a big lie. It's a big lie. You see these guys, these big channels, you know how much money they make off of your trading fees? It's disgusting. I've seen some of their earnings from just you guys trading on the fees. That's why I always say you don't have to use my links, go to smaller channels. Go to smaller channels and use their links, man. Stop using the links from, I don't know, Altcoin Daily. This guy making millions off of you guys getting liquidated. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. Nice sweep here. Trying to push here. Solana SFP still trying to go here. Guys, look at the liquidity grab on the NASDAQ. This is beautiful. One more low. Come on and take it. Come and take it. Guys, NASDAQ falling off an absolute cliff. Is this a tell? Can we get some Tino reality, traders reality? Oh my God, NASDAQ with the tell here. Coming back for the market makers. Oh, look at this. Sell side liquidity. Oh, getting those vectors. Do I have the vector candles? I love Tino, man. It's so good. I used to watch him when I was like learning. Look at the vectors. The vectors, guys. The vectors are coming down. Grabbing all the liquidity. Market makers. I mean, look at the big vector. The big red vector. So good, man. I love Tino, man. What an absolute legend, guys. Very knowledgeable, very smart guy, man. Love it. I love it, man. I remember when I used to watch it, guys. So good, man. So good. I love it, man. It's like when my wife's cooking, you know? Bloody hell, let's go. Come on, you stupid chili. No, she doesn't cook like that, guys. My wife does not cook like that, but she sounds like that. She's got that West Midlands accent. We have the SFP. The SFP is intact, everybody. Okay. This meme does not get old. Whenever I see this, man, I cannot unsee this, guys. Still chopping the top, everybody. No trade. Gang, gang, gang. I think it's time to short, Alex. No, man. No short here. Too much bullish momentum. No confirmation of a short. Orb one Kenobi soon. Yep. Orb at the top of the range is going to be an interesting day, man. It's going to be an orb up here is yeah, this will make for an interesting day. Because if we lose orb, we want to short it. Like, let's be honest. If we lose the orb here convincingly, we want to short this. 35 seconds here. If we break down here and we lose momentum, the problem is VWAP's just below here, so we want to lose both. Pushing here for Biddy. Here comes Biddy for the sweep. It's going to push. Let's see how it reacts. Solana not reacting as well. Bearish divergence is in. That's a strong candle. You don't fade that candle just yet, guys. All right. Orby 1 Kenobi is in. Breakout of the orb. Continuation up. No trade here, guys. Bitcoin to Valhalla. There's the sweep. Nice push. How does it react now? Solana trying to push. Bitcoin pushing. Retest to previous highs. Continuation trade. Liquidity has been grabbed. Big Wick Energy. John Wick's grandma lives here. Follow through or no? NASDAQ holding the support of that liquidity grab. Bitcoin trying to push here. Solana not convincing. Ethereum looking strong. Bullish engulfing candle. Continuation trade. Trapping longs right here. Trapping longs, no trade. We're going to get to possibly 12300 here. Possible resistance if it does push. No trade here. What would be a confirmation of a short? It would need to break structure to the downside, which means you would need to lose this low in here. Convincingly lose this low below VWAP, retest orb, and break down possibly. And maybe VWAP comes up in here. Okay, VWAP comes like this. Okay, you'd break down, you'd lose this low, you'd retest the orb, you'd lose VWAP, you'd retest that, and you break down. That would be the convincing signal for me to short. However, getting acceptance back into the range after an SFP is also convincing as well. Depending on your risk management, you could take like an orb trade like this, right? Look for it to rotate back down to the bottom of the range into our buy level down here. Many ways to trade this. Right now, you don't want to fade this, right? There's no, this says up. That's all it says is up. Okay. I mean, you could, this didn't come low enough for us to long it. I wanted to long here. It didn't come low enough. I wanted to come into this order block, VWAP down here. It didn't come here, so I didn't take the trade, right? So we wait. We wait for the next setup. I mean, there's lots of setups. It's being disciplined enough to not buy the big green vector candle. You're waiting for the pullback and then the continuation, okay? You got the direction. You wait for the pullback and continuation. There's no... You buy here, where's your invalidation? Where's your invalidation, right? I mean, you got to put your stop loss below this guy here. And then you got resistance right here. It's a pretty piss poor trade setup, right? So we wait. It sucks to wait, right? I don't like it just as much as you. But the difference between profitable, in my opinion, so we always talk about like, okay, over leverage, over trading, right? And no strategy. Everybody who's not profitable doesn't look at this and they look at mindset, okay? They go to mindset. This is their first, my mindset's wrong. But they're over leveraged, they're over trading, and they have no strategy. But their mindset's wrong. So this is what, I mean, from the people I've taught, this is always how it goes, right? When we talk about over trading, it's the time between trades. It's FOMOing in at the top here and not waiting for this to come in here. That hour that it takes for price to come back in here where you know you should be waiting for and where you have the setup, but you take the trade here. You take the trade here, you take the trade here, and you're moving your stop loss because you know you should have waited for the trade here. You're getting in long here, and then your stop loss looks like this, and your take profits up here. And you're taking a low probability trade setup, and you're risking too much, and you get stopped out, and your account looks like this, up, 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 and then bam, down you come. It's every trader. Every trader I've encountered. And I know it too because how I used to trade, right? How I started. I keep it fresh in my memory of how I used to trade. Fresh. Okay? Retest a previous highs continuation trade here. Right? It's an option. Where does my stop loss go though? There's no valid risk management for, okay, stop loss goes below this low. Is that a good risk to reward trade setup here? Very close. Not really. So I'd have to go half a position size here to accommodate that stop loss. Target, good enough, 2 to 1. Yeah. All right, so I would much rather have a nice little orb retest maybe in here. Nice little stop loss below VWAP, below orb, below this low here. And look for that continuation here, 4 to 1, right? That's where I make money. Stop loss to entry, off we go, right? There's nothing wrong with your mindset. There's something wrong with your trading and your strategy. Look at that first, then work on your mindset. Sorry for giving you shit on a Thursday. I want you to succeed. Lower for NASDAQ. Solana looks the best out of the three right now. I told you ETH looked good after that engulfing candle. Continuation here. Like I said, ETH is a straight shot up into like 44, 4,500, 44, 4,500. If it can continue here. ETH is a pretty straight shot. Solana looks good all the way up to 230. Nice 2% move, I believe. Yeah. We talked about that in the Discord. Chop at the top, guys. NASDAQ does not show any sign of strength here. Humble pie. Spy dumping as well. Warning signs for crypto, guys. Big warning signs. Big warning sign. Okay? Big warning sign. Do not be caught with your pants down. Big warning sign. We could dump today. You guys seriously, you guys all voted pasta, not tacos? You're on my stream and you voted pasta? You voted pasta? Really?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game. Participation.
I'm not talking to you guys anymore, bro. I'm not talking to you guys. Whoever left, good. We lost 100 people there. We shook them out, guys. We shook them out. The shakeout was real. You see, weak hands, man. Weak hands. All weak hands, man. They're not prepared for that. Weak hands. We lost 100 people on purpose. They're all effing taco people. You guys and your pink tacos. I like Solana here. Solana engulfing. Bitcoin pushing. Solana looks so much better than Bitcoin right now. Solana like something like this. Comes back into here. Stop loss below the low. Up to this guy here. Chop in the top, guys. This is a dangerous area to take longs. Do not be taking longs up here. Even if it goes, I still think it's a dangerous place. Fake them out, man. Get out of my stream, you taco people. I'm kidding. I love you all. I love you all. That was a good shakeout, though. Good job, everybody. Real ones stay. You know? The real ones stayed. We were at like 600 people. I should start 15 minutes later and stay 15 minutes later. Possibly. But I really enjoy having breakfast with my son, man. It's like, that's a treasure to me. It's a treasure to me, man. Very blessed to be able to do that. For all you working people, how nice would it be to stay home and have breakfast with your family, right? You guys know it. You guys know what I'm talking about. That's why we're doing this. We're clicking stupid buttons. Big warning sign on the SPY. Big warning sign on the NASDAQ. Oof. Priceless, guys, right? I have a 1-year-old son, man. There's nothing better. He doesn't know how to say ball when we're playing basketball, so he goes, da. Da. I'm like, Dad, want to play with the da? I'm like, okay, let's go, man. Let's go, bro. I'm a talking mouse clicker. That's it, bro. Thanks for being here, K-Pack, bearded. Yeah, so before I leave, we have an orb in here. We have VWAP down here. So what does that mean? We're looking for continuation. We're above the orb. We can look for continuation here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come sweep into this high. Reclaim orb, that's where you look to long. Stop loss below the low. Continuation up. Easy trade, okay? That would be the continuation trade that I would be looking for. Okay? Something like that. If you start to break out from here, okay? Very simply, you consolidating here, what is this doing? Creating an order block. So you're going to have an order block here. Let's say you push. Consolidate, you're looking for that sweep into that order block, buy, stop loss below the low in here, or orb, and look for the continuation up that way. Okay? If you break down and you lose the orb, okay, you break down, your SFP is completed, right? Sweep of the high, bearish divergence in here. You're looking for structure and rejection, okay? View up comes into here. This would be the higher probability trade setup where you're looking for a short here, stop loss at the top of the orb, target to the bottom of the range. Okay? If this, then that. Okay? You want to see this low lost here. Let the market bake a little bit. That's my opinion. And that's how I would look at it. Right, that's how I would set the trap up for today. I would look to participate safely where I would manage my risk. Solana looks good. Easy ride up to 231 for Solana. Easy ride up to 480 on Ethereum if it holds. Okay. NASDAQ, big warning sign, is bouncing though. It is bouncing. So if the NASDAQ starts making higher highs and higher lows, you can look for the same for crypto. SPY, holding, filling the gap, holding, trying to push higher. Okay, gap filled. We always love a good gap fill. Can we continue higher? We'll see. That's how I would treat it, everybody. Thank you for sticking with me. To all you taco lovers, people lovers, God bless you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing, hanging out here. Discord, I'll update you guys as we go. Thank you for being here, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so